Hi everyone, kicking off my outfit of the day. Today is Sunday. What am I up to today? As usual, went to the gym, came home, took my shower. I am returning my front door fashion, which is FedEx, and it's on the other side of town, so I'm taking a trip over there. And then I'm getting a massage today. And other than that, I'm gonna be doing some filming for you. So what am I wearing today? So I am wearing this turquoise little, tank top, essentially, with a collar that I got from a Stitch Fix. Forget the brand. I think it's one of Stitch Fix's brand. And I paired it with a skirt also from Stitch Fix I got circa 2018 for Skies Are Blue. This skirt is paisley and floral, and it's a navy background with turquoise flowers, hence the turquoise top. It's a ponte knit, so it's stretchy and very comfortable. Skies Are Blue makes quite a few of these skirts. I know they have them in burgundy. I've seen it in black. And this is a navy with paisley. The only time I ever saw a navy with paisley. I think it's super cute. As you can see, it has pockets with scalloping on the edges, and here's scalloping detail on the bottom. I'm wearing it with my Gola sneakers, and yeah, so I'm gonna return the FedEx box and then head over to get my massage. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Monday, and let's hoping this week goes fast. So today I took a rest day from the gym. I slept a little later, felt good to do so. The sun seems to be coming out, and hopefully my lighting is good enough. I won't put on my ring light because that kind of gives shadows, and the overhead hi-hat lights make everything look yellow. So hopefully this is a better quality today. Today's outfit is inspired by a Pinterest look, which I'll stick right up over here. I'm not so sure about this look, so I figured I'd try it. Why not? I'm working from home as usual today, something a little bit different. We're actually going to have to be on a Zoom call at 9 a.m., which is fine. It won't last long. And so here is what I am wearing. So the skirt is from Macy's, from Style & Co. years ago. It's your typical eyelet tiered skirt. I think I paid like $17 for this skirt. If you don't have an eyelet white skirt in your closet, I would recommend it, but pay like 17 bucks for it, or even less. With it, I actually have paired an eyelet top. This is by Daniel Rain that I got from Stitch Fix quite a while ago. It's a basic white top. I'm not going to take the jacket off today, but it's short sleeves, and it's their typical Daniel Rain top with the eyelet placket here on top. And with it, I have my White House Black Market sepia jacket. Now, shoes. I do not own a pair of strappy nude heels, so I guess what I have coming in the mail from Macy's. Hopefully they work for me. But in the meantime, I put on these shoes because I thought these were probably the best substitute I currently have in my closet. So this is my outfit for today. Do we like this look or not? All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day's style. Hi everyone, it is 7:35 a.m. and it's dark and gloomy outside, and I was debating whether or not I put on the hi-hats. I just put on the ring light instead. So today got up, went to the gym, and I'm just gonna be sitting at my desk at home all day. What did I wear today? Well, this is kind of a little bit of buyer's remorse. I got this sweater at a little local boutique. As you can see, it has a collar style. I love the colors. I love the turquoise and yellow. I think it's cute. It's just, it's meant to be like a teen sweater. I sized up to a size medium, believe it or not, and this is the fit that it's still giving me. So it's still cropped. I imagine if I got my usual extra small, it wouldn't have come up to here. But it's still a little bit more cropped than I like, but I do like this sweater. I think the color is adorable and everything, so it's gonna have to be worn on a day I'm really feeling confident about my body. So I paired it with a pair of white Democracy jeans that I got from Amazon probably, 2 years ago, and my Gola sneakers, and I am just hanging around the house doing my daily job. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, I believe it is Wednesday. I'm starting to lose track of the days already, and it's another day of rain, go away. So we've been having a lot of rain, dark skies and gloom. So, it's almost 8 o'clock and I have to have my ring light on, and it's just nasty and overcast out there. So what am I wearing today? So today's kind of like a hodgepodge from my closet. I've looked to see what I haven't worn in a while, and I noticed I have not worn this loft halter top in a while. And the reason, one, because it's a halter top, I have to wear a strapless bra. I always get cold, so I have to have something over me, and it's just one of those things I just never pull for. Do I love it? Yes, but it's just, something I just don't wear so often. So I put on my white denim jacket over it, because again, I always get cold. And I decided to pair it with something I don't wear that often either, but I do like them, are my blue level 99 pants that I received from Poshmark. And I put on my new blue shoes with the bow with it. The shoes were the bigger thing to decide on. I had tried on my pair of white mules and really didn't look good. Tried on my pair of silver slides, even though they're neutral, they kind of stick out because they're silver. So I decided to go more monochromatic and use my new blue shoes. And this is my outfit for today. I see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, happy Thursday. So one more day left. I am completely exhausted, did not sleep well last night, went to the gym this morning despite that, did the best I could, grabbed a few things at the grocery store, showered, and here I am. What am I wearing today? I am wearing this tank halter style top, I should say, from White House Black Market. I am wearing my regular Soma racerback bra, so you might see my bra peek out just a tad, but this is the type of thing I would wear the racerback versus strapless with. So this top it's ivory with some gold threads, and it's years old. And I have it paired with my level 99 joggers, and I'm also wearing pretty old gold shoes from White House Black Market that are pretty much identical to the top. So they're like a fabric, like a muslin with gold threads in that fabric, and then the edges are in gold. So they're not like over the top gold shoes, they're just like a hint of gold shoes. And this is what I'm wearing from working from home today. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Friday, finally. I do not have a long weekend. I have to actually show up for work on Monday, but I do have Tuesday off, so I can look forward to that, and I'm very happy today is Friday. I took a rest day from the gym today, went to my nutritionist. I was feeling mighty skinny today. The scale said otherwise. I'm down a little bit, but half a pound. But I felt skinny and confident today, so I pulled on this Aster the Label top. As you can see, it is a crop style. Because I'm feeling confident today, I decided to wear it. And I'm wearing it with my cut from the cloth shorts. I love these shorts. So these shorts are very loose fitting on me, but they don't fall down. So they're tight enough around my hips where they stay in place, but they're very loose around the waist and very loose around the legs. So I really enjoy these shorts, and I just put them on with my Steve Madden slides from a few years ago from a trunk club. The blouse I purchased from Nordstrom's Aster the Label a few years ago. So yeah, this is my outfit for today. I am totally in weekend mode, but I do have to work. And again, I don't go on camera. I just sit at my desk all day long doing work. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Saturday, and today I did not go to the gym. I woke up leisurely, made my peppers for the week, and now I'm going to have some breakfast, and I'll be going out to Loft to find a sweater to wear over this dress, which I'm about to show you, and do some returns and hopefully purchase those White House Black Market sienna colored pants. So what am I doing today and what am I wearing? Well, today is a memorial service for my father-in-law who passed away, I believe it was late April. And we're finally actually doing like a more formal service for him at a church that he belonged to for many years. So what am I wearing for this? It is a more casual event, this memorial service, but it's not so casual for shorts and t-shirts. I am wearing this Ever Eve dress. It's by Level 99. I purchased it, I got it in one of my boxes, but it was like $150, maybe $138, and I knew I'd seldom wear it, but I really liked it, and when it finally got marked down, I snagged it. So it's a safari style dress, kind of like a shirt dress. And typically I don't look good in shirt dresses because I need something with a defined waist, but I think this one does a pretty decent job in coming in and having the belt. And yeah, I like Level 99 is one of my favorite name brands, in case you haven't figured out. I like Level 99, Cut, Sanctuary. I think they're all a pretty good high quality brand at reasonable-ish prices, and a lot of Level 99 items I can find on Poshmark. With it, I have paired a pair of brown Alfani shoes, and like I said, I don't really have any summer weight cardigans. I have chunkier, thicker cardigans, but it kind of like one looked great with this, except it looked like it was meant for winter, like a winter sweater over this, so it didn't look so good style-wise. So I'm gonna look for something to throw over this today. If not, I'll either resort to the chunky sweater or to maybe a tan blazer. I don't know. All right, take care, and this is my last week of styling, and I'll see you again next week. Reminder, if you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos. Take care, until next time.